In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code in your Squarespace site settings, new 2025 feature. Let's get started right from your Squarespace dashboard. Open the site you want to work on so you're looking at the configuration view. From the main navigation, click Website. This takes you into the site-level controls where you manage structure, design, and content, which is where the new QR feature lives. Next, click Pages. You'll see your page list on the left. The QR code you generate will link directly to the page you select, so choose the page you want people to land on when they scan the code. This could be your home page, a menu, an event, or a contact form, whatever makes sense for your audience. With the page selected, use the highlighted controls to open that page's options. Depending on your layout, this might be the settings icon, an overflow menu, or a share option. Look for the area that references sharing or quick links. In the 2025 update, Squarespace includes a built-in QR option in this panel, so you don't need any third-party tools. When you see the QR section, click Download QR Code. Squarespace will generate a QR for the exact URL of the page you selected and save it to your computer, typically as a PNG. Check your browser's downloads if you don't see it right away. Tip: rename the file with the page name so it's easy to find later, and consider keeping a folder for different pages' codes if you plan to use multiple. After you've downloaded the code, close any open panels. If you're prompted about unsaved changes that you didn't intend to keep, click Discard. That simply exits the panel without altering your page content. Then, back out to the main site area using the highlighted navigation to return to your home view. From there, click Home again if you need to fully collapse panels and confirm you're back at the top level. Finally, click Publish your site. Publishing ensures the page URL is live and accessible, which is important because your QR code points to that live link. If the site or page isn't published, people who scan the code may not be able to reach it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Test your new QR code with your phone's camera to confirm it opens the correct page, and print at a size that's easy to scan from the distance your audience will be standing. You can repeat this process for any other page you want to promote. That's it. Your QR code is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the new built-in